Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Marjorie Taylor Greene stock buys, medical properties trust lawsuit, Nvidia's crucial Q2 results, Meta's headset plans scrapped, Bitcoin poised for gains as Powell hints at rate cuts, Uber and Cruise's robotaxi partnership potential, election risks for auto stocks highlighted by Wells Fargo, RFK Jr. suspends presidential campaign, and Meta and Spotify CEOs criticize EU AI regulation. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more. Congresswoman Marjorie Taylor Greene disclosed purchasing stakes in Nvidia, Intel, Amazon, Alphabet, FedEx, and Kinder Morgan on August 21st. Each investment was valued between $1,001 and $15,000. Nvidia is expected to report earnings of 64 cents per share on $28.67 billion in revenue on August 28th.
Jazzirty Steward Healthcare, which filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy in May, has sued its landlord, Medical Properties Trust. The lawsuit alleges that the real estate investment trust is blocking hospital sales. Steward claims Medical Properties Trust values its real estate higher than the hospitals. This dispute has hindered sales and impacted stock prices.
Nvidia will report fiscal second quarter results on August 28th. Wedbush Securities describes this as the most important tech event in years. Analyst Dan Ives anticipates a strong performance, emphasizing Nvidia's leadership in artificial intelligence and graphics processing units. Analysts forecast earnings of 64 cents per share on $28.67 billion in revenue.
Meta Platforms has stopped its high-end mixed reality headset project, La Jolla, because of high display costs and consumer reluctance. The device was intended to compete with Apple's Vision Pro but encountered pricing challenges. Meta will now concentrate on licensing its extended reality technology and plans to release Quest 4 in 2026.
Bitcoin is set to rise 7.4% this week after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell indicated a policy rate cut at the upcoming meeting. Bitcoin stayed above $60,000 following revised payroll data. BlackRock's iShares Ethereum Trust surpassed $1 billion in net inflows. Bitcoin rose 4.8% to $63,200. Ether increased 4.5% to $2,700 on Friday afternoon.
Uber Technologies saw a nearly 1% rise on Friday after announcing a partnership with General Motors Cruise to deploy autonomous vehicles in 2025. Initially, only Chevrolet Bolts will be used in one city. Analysts believe this move could enhance Uber's asset utilization and spark more partnerships. Lyft also rose by 2%.
Wells Fargo warns of risks for auto stocks regardless of the election outcome. Analyst Colin Langan notes Donald Trump may cut the $7,500 individual retirement account electric vehicle credits, raising prices and impacting Tesla, General Motors, Ford Motor Company, and Stellantis. Kamala Harris could impose tougher CO2 targets and higher corporate taxes. Wells Fargo rates Tesla, General Motors, Ford Motor Company, and Stellantis as underweight. Rivian Automotive is rated equal weight. Ferrari, General Motors, and Honda Motor are the only auto stocks with positive returns this year.
Independent presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. is suspending his campaign, citing no path to victory. In a Phoenix press conference, he criticized ballot access and the Democratic Party. Despite a Pennsylvania court filing suggesting Trump endorsement, his campaign denies it was approved. Polls show Kennedy's support at 5%.
Meta Platforms CEO Mark Zuckerberg and Spotify CEO Daniel Ek criticized European lawmakers for complex regulations around open-source artificial intelligence models, saying it stifles innovation. They highlighted the General Data Protection Regulation's uneven application as a major issue. Both CEOs warned that Europe risks missing out on technology investment and growth opportunities without urgent regulatory changes. Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Have a great day. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.